A leak has revealed that Tesla has acquired a Gigapress casting machine, which has the potential to take the electric vehicle manufacturing company far from its competition. The Gigapress casting machine is shaping up to be the heart of Tesla's manufacturing process. We already know the Gigapress is crucial in building the Tesla Model Y, and an even bigger version will be used for the upcoming Cybertruck build. Still, the company's most ambitious casting projects are yet to come. In today's video, we will take a look at what a Gigapress casting machine is and how it works in Tesla's favor. Tesla has been working on using die casting for vehicle parts for quite some time now. It almost seems like a casted frame for the Model Y was the plan all along. They just weren't able to perfect the art before the time came to start production. We know from reports in the summer of 2019 that Tesla was working on building their own giant casting machine to produce the Model Y frame. Elon Musk stated that when Tesla gets a casting machine big enough to make cars, it will save the electric vehicle producing company a lot of money on all the robots that go into putting those parts together. Die casting is the same method used to make Hot Wheels cars and other small metal objects. They heat metal to the point where it becomes a thick molten goo, press it into a hollow mold, cool it to harden, and pop out a new solid piece of metal in whatever shape they desire. Tesla had this idea for a multi-directional casting machine with these drawings that show the Model Y body surrounded by presses from all angles that specifically test the deformation. Instead, we've seen the IDRA Group's Gigapress casting machine appear on the Tesla production line through coincidence, or perhaps synchronicity, at the same time that Tesla was attempting to develop their own casting technology to make automobiles. This Italian engineering firm called IDRA was working on a massive casting press that they hoped would be used to make electric vehicles one day. According to IDRA, they started working on the machine 3 years ago. They didn't design the press for Tesla. It just so happened that Tesla was the first and so far only customer to place an order. These machines are massive, by the way. The Model Y Gigapress is 19.7 meters long, 7 meters wide, and 6 meters high. The equipment weighs tons, and the press exerts a force of 6,000 tons. It's absurd to force molten metal into a hollow mold with the precision required to make this method work for such huge automotive parts. Any degree of turbulence in the metal flow can generate pockets or flaws in the casted object. Therefore, the metal injection to the mold must proceed swiftly while still being flawlessly smooth throughout the press stroke. The platen component of the press, which pushes the liquid metal, is a massive slab of solid metal measuring 3.6 square meters, forged from a single piece and weighing 64 tons on its own. As a result, the IDRA press can cast an entire car chassis in just 3 sections: front, center, and rear. Presently, 3 of these machines are in operation, all of which are owned by Tesla. The IDRA aims to produce 9 more in 2021. Tesla offers a key component to the party, their own proprietary aluminum alloy. This means that not just anyone can use a 9,000-ton press, even if they could get their hands on one. Tesla's distinctive combination of aluminum is designed exclusively for the die casting process with the purpose of maintaining high yield strength and conductivity. Developing a new aluminum alloy didn't happen overnight, and it appears that Tesla has been working on it for years, most likely with die casting in mind the entire time. In 2015, Elon Musk hired Charles Kuhlman, who is a PhD in material science and engineering and was the director of product design for Apple computers before joining Tesla. From 2012 to 2015, he was most likely in charge of inventing the metal case that protects your Apple Watch. This individual was employed at Quest Tech, a materials engineering firm, where he designed new engineering tools as well as new metal alloys. Elon has been plotting this idea for a whole new casting process for at least 6 years. Because Tesla was thinking about this years ahead of everyone else, it means the competition is well back in the dust as usual. According to IDRA, there should be a total of 12 Gigapress machines in the world by the end of this year, averaging 3 machines per Tesla factory. Tesla has already announced that their next big order from IDRA will be an 8,000-ton press for the Gigafactory in Texas. This more powerful casting machine will be responsible for producing the frame for the Cybertruck, which will obviously be a much bigger and stronger component than what we have now. The body of a Cybertruck will also be one piece, but it will not be cast. Instead, the body of a Cybertruck will be constructed from a large sheet of stainless steel that will be bent and stamped into shape. It's the same concept as casting, but it will be done in a new way that will be quick, efficient, and inexpensive while producing a product that'll be extremely strong and consistent. There are rumors of a 9,000-ton press in the works at China's Gigafactory. The rumor of a 9,000-ton press has only lately surfaced, and no one knows what to make of it. We learned in May that IDRA was building new machines in China capable of 9,000 tons of force, the highest we've seen so far. And unfortunately, that's about all we know right now. This information appears to have come from just one source, a Chinese social media post made on April 23rd, which also includes 4 photos of a huge machine that looks like a Gigapress. The machine is surrounded by a crowd of people gathered near a warehouse. Sadly, not much is known about this new type of pressing machine, or if it's even being made exclusively for Tesla, but it would be reasonable to assume that the rumored 9,000-ton press could be the backbone behind the production of Tesla's unreleased Cybertruck. However, bear in mind that this is only an educated guess. There is no indication that IDRA is making the machine for Tesla, but with Tesla's track record, there is little doubt that many electric vehicle fans will be rooting for Tesla, because once Tesla becomes affordable to the majority of people, they will want to own one. If they can offer a car that is still very nice for a price point that starts at $25,000, they will have succeeded in winning the masses and widening the gap between them and other electric vehicle producing companies. That's it for today's video. Let us know what you think about Tesla's Gigapress casting machine and what you think this will mean for Tesla going forward. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to TechBang if you are not already subscribed. Stay safe, and we will see you in the next video.